Welcome, today we're going to show you how to install Deltarune and Undertale modes in your PC. So if you want to play some modes on your Deltarune and Undertale games, you can just open one of these two websites. There's Game Banana and there's Game Jolt website. So all you need to do is to just search for Undertale or Deltarune as see from here, and you'll find all the modes for these two games. So after you do so, you can just download the modes. So they will come in two shapes, the data.win shape or the delta shape. So how to actually install these files? So you need to hop onto Steam. If you are playing the game on Steam, go to Undertale or Deltarune and go to Manage. And from here you need to browse local files to find Deltarune or Undertale files. After you do, you will find the data file as see from here. This file as see from here, we need to replace it with the mode. So how we can actually do that? So once you download the mode, you need to just hold the mode and put it right here to replace it with this file. After that, now the mode is successfully installed if it was a data file as see from here. But if it was in delta shape, you need to install a delta patcher. So how to install this delta patcher file? You need to actually go to this website as see from here, romehacking.net, and install the delta patcher. It's a very easy process. All you need to do is just open the delta patcher and put the file that you want to install. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.